welcome back to Cooking with Mimi. And today we're taking it back to my roots, Haiti, and we're going to make Bonbon Sirop. Bonbon Sirop is like a molasses cake. It's made with sugarcane syrup, and I would recommend getting one from like a little tea marché, a Haitian market, but you can also use regular molasses. But this does bring me back to my childhood eating this Bonbon Sirop. Taste the ginger already. So let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, I have 1.5 cup of butter. That's 3 sticks of butter. I popped it in the microwave for about 45 seconds just to soften it. And then here I have 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Okay. I'm going to use a whisk to whisk it in very well. You can use a cake mixer as well, but I feel like it tastes better when it's done with hard work by hand. You're gonna want to keep mixing this until it is well combined and looking creamy. Guys, so this took some time. It took a lot of hard work, but this is what you're looking for. It's pretty stiff. It's nice and pale. Now, after you get this step done, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Alright guys, and also while you're mixing this, you want to make sure you use a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides. Now I'm going to add my spices. Here I have half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay. Then here I have a whopping tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. And I love ginger, guys. Like this right here is like going to make this so good. Alright, and then I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you can give that a mix. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Now that's nicely incorporated, I'm going to add 1 cup of sirop, sugarcane syrup, or you can add molasses. Okay? Oh, look at that. This guys, this is amazing. This is what makes this cake right here. Then you wanna mix that in. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool too. And as you can see, this is what gives it its color. You can see it like already dark. darkened. And then you want to add half a cup of milk. Alright, and then you want to gently whisk that in. So you want to take some time to mix that in, and I'll be back once it's fully incorporated. Alright, so once you get into this consistency, it's kind of like buttercream. You can take your spatula, scrape down the sides. Then this is when you add your flour. So in here, I have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour already sifted, and I added 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Is also sifted in there. So you're going to add a little bit at a time, and this is where the wooden spoon come in, and you just start incorporating that in. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. You want to start in the middle and then work your way out. And guys, again, you guys can also use a stand mixer. A stand mixer or a hand mixer. You guys don't have to do this by hand. Pour a medium amount of flour. Alright guys, and this is what you're looking for. It's beautiful, perfect. So now I'm going to pour it in a 9x13 baking pan. It's already greased. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pour this in my 9x13 already greased pan. Alright, now I'm just going to smooth it in my pan. Okay guys, now I'm going to put this in my oven for 35 to 45 minutes, okay? And once it's done, you're going to want to insert a toothpick in the middle, make sure it comes out clean to ensure that it's finished, okay? And also make sure it's at 300 degrees. Alright guys, so this is my final product. It smells like a gingerbread house in here. So good. Can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with Mimi, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what to make next down in the comments below.